Yeah, very tough series overall. Very frustrating to come pretty close in all 3 games and just be on the losing side all 3 times. I think Pakistan played very well overall. I think they played well to their conditions. They rotated the strike a lot better than us, and then they bowled a lot slower and it was a lot more hard. It was harder to hit. So I think they bowled very well.
All right, yeah. This is Wolvaardt from Express News Karachi. First of all, you did definitely great job. I'm talking about both 3 matches. What happened? You were very close to win in the matches, but Pakistan became as a winner. How you compare the both teams? Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think in all 3 games they probably held their nerve at the crucial times better than what we did. They stayed in their chases better than what we stayed in our chase today. We let it slip just a couple of overs before the death. I think we had a couple of overs that let us down a bit and gave us too much work to do at the end. Yeah, like I said, they played very good cricket, and I think we were caught on the back foot a bit and just struggled to adapt throughout the series.
Skipper, as you have said that you have been close in all the matches, but what really hurts you, the spinning bowling department of Pakistan, or the conditions were quite new for you, or because the travelling and practices are not that much there, so results are the reasons for that, or Pakistan were too good?
Yeah, they bowled very well. I think they only played 1 seamer today, so their spinners are kind of all of their bowlers, and I think we just didn't work the ball around too much. I think we probably had more dot balls than them. I haven't seen the stats yet, but in the other games we had too many dot balls as a batting unit. And then I think as a bowling unit as well, we just struggled to keep it simple. They just kept it very simple. We were able to bowl to their fields and just frustrate us and let us get ones. So yeah.
Being the T20 World Cup finalist this year, losing this series must be not an ideal situation for you. What do you think were the things you have highlighted and will take back home and just try to overcome the weaknesses? Those weaknesses would you like to mention here?
Yeah, I think obviously cricket is a funny game sometimes, and I do think we played good cricket in patches throughout the series. I don't think it was just weaknesses, and I think we can reflect on the good stuff as well. I think there were certain parts of our games that were better, and then other parts that were worse, and that's just things that we're going to have to analyse and see which phases of the game we can do better at. And come back with better plans for the other guys.
A lot after finishing runner-up in T20 World Cup final, we're getting a lot of news from South Africa, something about the change in coaching. So you think that this thing is impacted on South Africa's performance, and also in future after the series, another series coming up against New Zealand at home. So what's the preparation? Because if things like that happening, so it's not good for the team South Africa.
No, we're solely here to focus on our cricket in Pakistan. I think our main focus was the game. We planned all of our meetings around the games, and we were fully focused on doing what we needed to do to get the job done. And I think the same thing goes to the next series.
Thank you so much, Lou. Any further questions in-house before we move over to Zoom? Alright, can I please ask the media in attendance on Zoom to please use the hand raise function to ask a question, and we'll get underway with everyone in attendance. Thank you. Marnus, thanks for our patience. Please go ahead.
Laura, it's Marnus. Actually, I think you guys did not win, but you must be happy with your own performance of the day. I think it's actually your highest, Laura.
I think the first couple of games I would have liked to bat at a bit of higher strike rate. I'm not too sure what it was today, but I think it's something that I'm trying to improve as an opening batter, is to start the games off a bit better. I think Taz and I, in general, had better power plays than what we've had in the past, so I think it's a step in the right direction. Obviously, hugely frustrating to not get over the line, having batted for so long and being set like that at the end there. So it's more frustration than anything else.
Thanks, Marnus. Do you have anyone else with a question before we move on? Keenan, thanks for joining us. Keenan, do you have a question? Going once, any takers online? Keenan, do you have a question, or are you good? Alright, going once, going twice. twice. That brings us to the end of today's post-match press conference. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and there will be a high-res audio and video sent to the media shortly as well. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you so much.